Happy Wednesday, mid-Missouri. Today's looking mostly dry. We'll have a slim chance for maybe a pop-up shower or thunderstorm late this afternoon towards the evening hours. Overall, though, it's a dry day. Some partly to mostly cloudy skies, highs in the low 80s. Tomorrow, the rain returns in better coverage. We're looking at widespread chances for showers, but you can tell here on the potential rainfall tracker that it's very isolated in who actually sees meaningful rainfall. We'll see some pockets of some moderate to heavy rainfall by the afternoon with some thunderstorms, and if you find yourself under one of those thunderstorms, well, then you're looking at better rain totals. It just depends on where those drops fall. So starting warm today, temperatures in the 60s, plus a little bit of a southeast breeze and some cloud cover yields temperatures in the low 80s this afternoon. There's some of that activity trying to bubble up later on tonight. Overall, the activity looks to be really dry. We don't expect much. Our real next chance for rain shows up overnight into early Thursday morning. Through about the morning commute, we're looking south of Highway 50, folks near the Lake of the Ozarks over towards I-44. This spreads further to the north. Warm front showers throughout the day. We may see some thunder action as soon as around noon, but a better chance for that shows up later in the afternoon. And this is where that better rainfall will come. Again, really isolated in nature as to where that actual good measurable rainfall falls. Some folks could maybe see up to a half an inch, but many of us are going to be less than a quarter. We're looking at dry weather heading into your early Friday, but Friday we're watching more thunderstorm potential as better energy shows up in the atmosphere, and we do expect storms to develop, and when that happens, there's going to be a chance for some strong thunderstorm activity, and that is what we're keeping a close eye on. Right now, the severe threat's somewhat low, but it's something we're keeping track of and something you should know about heading into Friday. There's some of that thunderstorm activity. Anything south of the warm front that afternoon would have potential for being strong to severe. Now let's fast forward here through the rest of the weekend, because what you're going to see is a lot of just random green blobs, and really that's what the forecast looks like. It's not terribly focused. Anything away from the warm front and the cold front is going to have some ambiguity to it, but once we see that cold front push back through, we'll have another focus for those rain chances. And so what we're looking at is some scattered chances, both again Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, chances for scattered storms. And then eventually that cold front is looking like it's going to pass through sometime on Sunday towards the end of the weekend, and then behind that things are trending cooler and drier as well. But until then, over the next 7 days, we get half an inch to an inch of rain. This is trending a little wetter than it was yesterday. It looks like that's going to continue to fluctuate until we actually see this rain show up, because again, we're looking at activity that's kind of ambiguous over the rest of the weekend there, because again, it's just daily chances for scattered storms. Today, your UV index, again, a bit on the high side as we're looking at still some sunshine making it through those clouds, but better chances for thicker cloud cover and rain on your Thursday, and that keeps us in the 70s, and then we're back into the 80s over the weekend. Again, with those daily chances for scattered showers and storms. But again, take a look at Monday. Monday, we're much drier, we're much cooler. That's the air mass change behind that cold front on the way sometime towards the end of the weekend.